Jail here. In another video, we're going to talk about how to create a Western Union account. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we have our Western Union ready and we're going to open it. So to do this is pretty simple. So we go to the top right corner and you see the login button. So I have my Face ID right here. So I'm going to not use my account. So we're going to sign up. So here, when you sign up, it should be matching with your government ID issued ID. So here, let's just gonna place lol, and let's just gonna do let's say roar. So there, for example, that is your name and your government ID. Use that, and then here you'll have to enter your mobile number or your email, depends on you, and then you'll have to create a password. So let's just place a random password. So one is uppercase and then numbers and then your mobile number. So here, just place it right there and then register. From there, it's gonna have to verify your Gmail or your mobile number, and then there you go. You'll be able to use your account. It's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is how you create your Western Union account. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.